doing a coolant hose. This goes from the lower radiator to her thermostat right here. So I'm gonna just put the bottom on, and then I'm gonna put the top on and secure the clamps. And you wanna make sure that you are bringing your hose up to this little lip right here. That's where you stop the hose at. What birthing the system looks like. After you put the car back together, that's clip 1, and down there at the bottom is clip 2. You want to fill it up with antifreeze, let it get up to operating temperature, and burp the system. Basically burping it is getting the air out, because you lose coolant whenever you take that hose off. So you want to make sure you get the air out so that there's no air pocket so the car doesn't run hot again.